welcome back. It's time for another Jigsaw quiz. This week's quiz is 30 questions about animals. So get a pen and paper ready, or you can shout your answers out, whatever's easiest for you. I'll read through the 30 questions and then we'll go through the answers afterwards. I'll also pop the questions down in the comments section, so if you need to catch up on any, or you can just pause after I've read out a question if you need more time. Question 1. What food makes up nearly all of a giant panda's diet? Question 2. True or false? Mice live up to 10 years. Question 3. What is the name of the phobia that involves an abnormal fear of spiders? Ugh. Question 4. What is the largest type of big cat in the world? Question 5. True or false? Crocodiles have no sweat glands, so they use their mouths to release heat. Number 6. Are butterflies insects? Yes or no? 7. What are female elephants called? Number 8. True or false? Bats are mammals. Number 9. Bees are found on every continent on Earth except one. Which one aren't they found in? Number 10. True or false? Cats spend an average of 13 to 14 hours a day sleeping. (11) What is the fastest land animal in the world? (12) A doe is what kind of animal? 13. True or false? Cougars are herbivores. 14. Groups of lions are known as what? 15. Is a dolphin a mammal? Yes or no? 16. What is the largest land animal in the world? 17. True or false? Snakes have slimy skin. 18. What is the only continent on Earth where giraffes live in the wild? Question 19. How many pairs of wings does a bee have? That's pairs, not individual wings. Question 20. What type of animal is the largest primate in the world? (21) Is a shark a fish or a mammal? 22. What is the most recognisable feature of a hedgehog? 23. True or false? Owls are far-sighted. That means an owl can see something all the way over there, but if it's right in front of its face, it won't be able to see it properly. 24. What is the name of an adult female horse? 25. What are baby goats called? 26. What is the tallest animal in the world? 27. True or false? Rabbits are blind when they're born. 28. What is the most recognisable physical feature of a male lion? 29. How many legs does a spider have? And last but not least, question 30. The crocodile species is believed to have been around for how long? Is it 2 million years or 200 million years? So that's your 30 questions. Feel free to pause now, have a chance to look through them. Remember, they're all in the comments section down below as well. So now we're going to go through your answers. So question 1. What food makes up nearly all of a giant panda's diet? Well, the answer is bamboo. Question 2. The answer is false. Mice in captivity can live up to 2.5 years, and wild mice can only live for an average of around 4 months. Question 3 is arachnophobia, which is the abnormal fear of spiders. Number 4, the largest type of big cat in the world is the tiger. They often weigh up to 300 kilograms, which is 660 pounds. Number 5, the answer is true. Crocodiles often will sleep with their mouths open, which helps cool them down. Question 6, yes, butterflies are insects. Question 7, female elephants are called cows. Male elephants are called bulls, the females are called cows. Question 8 is true, bats are mammals. Question 9, the only continent where you won't find bees is Antarctica. It's far too cold for them there. Question 10 is true, cats do spend an average of 13 to 14 hours a day sleeping. Do you know anyone who spends that long sleeping? Question 11 is the cheetah. That's the fastest land animal. It can reach speeds of up to 75 miles an hour. Question 12. A doe is a kind of deer. Question 13 is false. They're in fact carnivores. Cougars are carnivores, which means they eat meat. 14. A group of lions is called a pride. Question 15 is yes, dolphins are mammals. Question 16. The largest animal on earth is the elephant. The largest elephant on record weighed 26,000 pounds. Wow. The answer to 17 is false. A snake's skin is actually smooth and dry when you touch it. Question 18. Africa. That's the only continent in the world where giraffes live in the wild. Question 19 is 2. That's how many pairs of wings does a bee have? It has 4 wings in total, 2 pairs. Question 20. The gorilla. That's the largest primate in the world. Question 21. A shark is actually a fish. Question 22. The most recognisable feature of a hedgehog are its spikes or its spines. Whatever you've put is absolutely fine. 23. Owls are far-sighted, so that's true. So they can see prey all the way over the other side of the field, but if something runs past really close to their face, they'll really struggle to focus on it. Question 24. A female horse is called a mare. 25. Baby goats are called kids. 26. The tallest animal in the world is a giraffe. They have an average height of around 5 metres, but the tallest on record stood at nearly 6 metres tall, which is 20 feet. Rabbits are born blind. That's the answer to 27, so true. The most recognisable physical feature of a male lion is its mane. That's how you can tell the difference between a male and a female lion, is they have a lot large manes. Question 29 is 8. The spider's got 8 legs. And last but not least, the final question. The crocodile species is believed to have been around for 200 million years. Wow, that's a long time. So that's the end of our quiz. Let us know how you got on in the comments section, and I'll see you soon for another quiz. Take care. Bye.